I'm a metabolic health coach, and today we're talking about mitochondrial restoration, the key to reversing chronic disease. Healthcare professionals treating chronic disease are missing one fundamental word that explains why their treatments fail: mitochondria. While doctors prescribe medications for diabetes, depression, and heart disease as separate conditions, these illnesses share a common root. They stem from dysfunctional mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses that produce 90% of the body's energy. When mitochondria fail, ATP production drops, reactive oxygen species increase, cells shift into survival mode rather than optimal function. The mechanism is clear, yet the medical system continues treating symptoms while ignoring the source.